Hello ka-math learners! Welcome again sa ating YouTube channel, Learn Math Beach. This is the part 1 of another video series na inyong aabangan to ang 2006 MTOP Reviewer Grade 3 Elimination Rounds. So pakiabangan mo ang part 2, 3, and so on. Problem number 1, what is the value of the underlined digit in 54,587? So sa ating solution, step number 1, identify the place value of the underlined digit. So ano ba yung place value ng number 4? So sa 54,587, isa-isahin lang natin. Ang number 7 ang ones, ang number 8 ang tens, ang first 5, number 5 is hundreds place value, ang number 4 is thousands, and number 5 is 10,000s. So kagaya na nakita natin, the place value of the underlined digit is thousands. Next step, imo-multiply lang natin. 4 times 1,000 equals 4,000. So the final answer is 4,000. So nakuha natin iyon kasi una, kinuha muna natin yung place value and then minultiply lang natin. Nakuha natin 4,000 ang final answer. Next problem please, problem number 2. Problem number 2, 19,800 is equal to how many hundreds? So the solution is identify the hundreds place values digit and multiply it by 100. So ano ba dyan yung hundreds place value na digit? So isa-isahin lang natin no. 19,800, 0 ang ones, the next 0 is tens, number 8 ang hundreds. So nakuha na natin 8 ang hundreds. Pero 9 is thousands, number 1 is 10,000s. So nakita natin dito ang number 8 ang hundreds place value. So i-multiply lang natin ang 8 times 100 equals 800. So the final answer is 800. So dito guys, ang ginawa natin, hinanap natin ano ba yung digit ng hundreds place value, which is nalaman natin number 8 and then multiply natin ito sa 100 kasi hundreds. Okay? So 800 is the final answer. Next problem please, problem number 3. Write 17,964 in figures. So yung words na 17,964, isusulat lang natin siya sa numbers. Ito ay 5 digit. Alam natin yun. Working backwards dito guys ang solution, hindi tayo from left to right gagawa, kundi from right to left. Working backwards. So, meron lang tayo nilagay dyan na mga place values para hindi tayo malito. The first is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So sabi dun sa problem, 17,964. Dun tayo focus sa 64. Alam natin na ang 64 ay 6 tens and 4 ones. So ilalagay natin siya doon sa 5-digit natin. So nakita natin dito, nilagay natin 64. Sa tens ay 6, sa ones ay number 4. So pag ganun tayo guys, from right to left. Next is, dito naman tayo sa 17,900. So doon tayo magfo-focus sa 900. So alam natin, ika-cancel natin yung dalawang 0 kasi meron na tayong tens at ones. So ilalagay natin siya doon sa hundreds place value, which is number 9. Next is, doon naman tayo sa 17,000. I-cancel natin ulit yung tatlong 0 kasi meron na tayong hundreds, tens, and ones. So next, ilalagay lang natin yung 17 doon sa, yung number 1 sa 10,000s place value. Number 7 is doon sa thousands place value. So the final answer is, in figures, 17964. 17,964 is the final answer. Next problem please, problem number 4. Problem number 4. Write CLXXXVII in Hindu Arabic. So sa ating solution, ang legend is C is equivalent to 100, L is equivalent to 50, X equals 10, V equals 5, I equals 1. Nakita natin dito guys sa CL triple X V triple I, ang letter C is 100 kasi C equals 100, L is 50, triple X is 30 kasi 10 times 3 is 30, V is 5, and triple I is 3. So i-add lang natin sila, therefore 100 plus 50 plus 30 plus 5 plus 3 equals 188. So the final answer is 188. So ang ginawa lang natin guys, kinonvert lang muna natin yung Roman numerals, kinonvert lang natin into Hindu Arabic or sa ating numero sa ngayon. And then inad lang natin sila. Next problem please, last but not the least. Write 97 in Roman numerals. So ngayon, baliktad naman guys. From Hindu-Arabic, i-convert natin siya into Roman numerals. Sa legend naman natin, 1 is equivalent to I, 2 equals II, 3 equals triple I, 4 equals IV, 5 equals V, and so on and so forth. Take note, no Roman numerals can come together more than 3 times. So yung kanina, binanggit natin yung I, tatlong I lang yun, hanggang tatlo lang siya. So, ganun din, we cannot write 90 as LXXXX. Hindi apat na X. Kundi, instead, we write 90 as XC, meaning 100 minus 10. Kapag mas nauna yung mas maliit na value ng letter kaysa dun sa mas malaking letter, ima-minus mo siya guys. Ganun yung rules din. So, hindi pwedeng 4 times na letters. So, ang 90, i-write natin siya as XC because X is 10, C equals 100. Ang big sabihin na XC is 100 minus 10 equals 90. So, therefore, 90 equals XC. At dun sa legend natin, nakita natin na ang 7 is equivalent to VII. So, the final answer is 97 equals XCVII. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panood ng video na ito. Kung nakatulong sa iyo, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Math page. Pakiabangan mo ang part 2 ng video series ng 2006 Grade 3 AMTAC Reviewer Elimination Rounds. Laging tandaan ang ating outro message, every problem there is and there's always has a solution. So love lots, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye!